Hello guys, welcome to another episode of my weekends. Recently I have purchased a car mat from Amazon. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of that and I'll show you how the product is. Since long time I was searching for a car mat, so today I found a good one. This is from Eagle company and this name is Eagle Letherite 5D car mats. So let's see how the product is. Packing looks good. Let's see what's inside. This looks for the front portion, I think the passenger side, and this is for the driver cabin, I think, and this looks like for the back seat. This is a single piece which covers the entire back. I completed fitting on all the seats. It looks very nice. I'm happy about this product. This is my current mat. You can see how this looks. So now I have put the new mat. You can see the difference. It looks fantastic and fits well for the car. Come, let's see on the passenger seat. See, this is my old mat. I'm going to replace this with the new one. As you can see, they have given a special grip on the surface, so this helps preventing your foot slipping while driving. It is having a quilted effect on the surface. I think that is the reason they say it's a 5D mat. Plus they're given a leather texture on the surface. So, and it looks really good. There are different types of floor mats available in the market, such as like grass mat, rubber mat, Then the best one, what I think, is the try mat. So that's why I bought this product. So many of my friends are facing like a rusting issue on their car. They put a Rexin floor mat. So like if some water drops down, so they will not know if it is going down or something. And so it's always better to have a good car mat for the for your car quality, and to keep your car neat and clean. If anyone is planning to buy a car mat, I definitely suggest this. My car is Swift Uplitter version. Whoever has the same car, they can purchase the same product. So that was the total review of the car mat. So if anyone already purchased and using this product, please comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.